Good morning, everybody. Today is one of those days where I am doing some work for my old day job, but from home. So I don't have to do the 2 hours of driving that it normally takes me when I have to go into the office. So I have a little bit more design the everything time today. First thing on the list for today is to get the package with all of the Carabiners in the mail to the photographer. That should just take me a couple minutes. I'll do that here before I start work. And I guess after that, I need to do some sewing, of all things, and get the lanyards and the wristlets, or the key slings, whatever we're calling those, get those ready to go out to the Prototype of the Month Patreons. And if I finish all of that stuff, I think I'm going to go into new product development mode. I have a couple more Carabiners I want to work on. I have a couple smaller not one-offs, but a small, simple project that I want to work on, and I just need to get those designed and cammed and prototyped, and you know the drill. Okay, and here is our range of Carabiners ready to go out for product photography. We have tumbled, blue, yellow, purple, orange, and green. These are, of course, these ones are the colors for the Design the Everything family of brands, and then traditional tumbled. All of these ones will be the same price. This one will be just a little bit cheaper. It's lunchtime, but some color swatches just came in from Prismatic Powders. Mostly, I'm looking for colors to replace the orange that I have because I don't like it, and the yellow because I'm meh on it. So I picked up all the likely candidates and ordered these. They call these free, but they're not really. It's like you get five for your first $6, and then everyone is 40 cents after that. They call them free, but then they charge you shipping on them. Though it was overnight shipping, which was pretty cool. I think I like this orange the most right now. It blends in with my shirt. This is called Spectra Orange. And it's the gloss like the other colors that worked pretty well. And then the other thing that I got is some clear coats, because I think I want to clear coat over the colors just to give them a little bit more durability. I think the one I like here is Casper Clear.
Red, do you want to use? You just want what's in here already?
Can we do a white?
Let's see what I got. Which one on the bottom? That's weird. This one's weird. You probably are going to need to do enough sewing to learn how to wind a bobbin, are you?
I don't know. Not yet.
Would you like to learn how to wind a bobbin while
Not
we're
yet.
at it? Oh no, it's running out of this color. So now we have a bobbin full of this color, but none of the matching color on the spool. Well,
Do you not just have like a giant spool of white?
I guess you could use one of my. These are a slightly different white, but let's see. The problem is a lot of these. Not white.
That's white.
Yeah, but a lot of these I got at like garage sales and things, and so they're unknown ages, and sometimes they just snap while you're using them because they're old and brittle, and I don't know. Some of them are fine, some of them aren't.
I've worked with people like that.
If you do that. Okay, and what do you want?
Can we just like sew some fabric together?
Okay, let me go get Abby though. Do you want to pick some scraps?
Orange scraps. Orange scraps. Orange scraps.
Orange fox scraps.
There's giant orange scraps. Orange scraps.
Oh yeah, look at that. These are my mushrooms.
Perfect.
Here, you want me to show you? Okay, other thing. This needs to go down. I'm sorry, I'm not explaining. Where is my lever? Okay, there it is.
Is that me or you?
Otherwise, it's going to be all over the place, your fabric, and it's going to tangle everything and mess everything up.
Okay. How do you get that up?
This little lever back here that
This one?
up, down.
So now I go backwards.
You're going to want to probably do it again because it was just sewing in the same place because it was moving.
Yeah, so I go backwards.
forwards and then backwards. But yeah, I guess we want to get back
forwards and then backwards and forwards?
Yeah, I mean, you can do more than one. It's fine. It's probably sturdier. So, that's pretty much it. And when you get to the end, you're going to do the same thing. So go to the end, then stop, back stitch, go backwards, a couple stitches, 2 or 3. That's all it really needs. And then go forwards again to the end, and just, you can go straight off. You can sew straight off of it. And then you take it off, lift up your lever, and you pull. Now the tension's off, so it will allow you to pull. And there's a little cutty thing here.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna try one of the real deals. I don't have nearly enough of any of my elastics.
So these are all just kind of trial, right?
Yeah.
Were these the new ones? Did you get another set
No.
from somewhere? You're just gonna make do with what you ended up with?
For now. I broke it. I can't get the thingy off. So I broke it.
Nope.
Fix, please.
Okay. What did you do?
I.
Oh, look. Okay. It's not too bad.
That was easy.
Don't. You let me fix it.
Don't
Don't
let you fix it.
No, don't try to fix it. You were good enough to fix it. Just open my machine.
What do you think? How did I do?
Were you just trying to figure out which one was your favorite?
Yeah. So, I mean, it started off with a real attempt, and I didn't really like what I did, and then I just kept sewing. So, would you just make one the way that it should be?
I don't really know, but I can.
Just, I trust you more than I trust my
You want me
judgment.
to cut this back off? So
No, it's the first prototype. You have to keep it. Here, just use the
who are you gonna send this one to?
Nate. Me. That'll be my test one. So I have 2 different thicknesses of these rings here. There's thick ones and the thin ones. And I'm going to go with the thick ones, so practice with the thin ones. I don't know what's wrong with this at all.
What was your length that you decided on? Or do you want me to just measure? Just
yeah.
Short pieces to...
I did not measure. Wow, I'm wearing an orange shirt with my orange lanyard. This one is too short.
Can I do any color?
It needs to be longer. Yeah, do whatever you want.
Can I have one?
Oh no,
Marine.
I twisted it.
Can I have one more?
Well, okay,
Wait,
so
what?
that's why lanyards are, I think, made intentionally with a twist. I think you
What?
flip one of them so that it fits nicely around your neck.
How does...
I think that's what they do with them. Right? It's not twisted, but...
Okay, I was just crazy.
Yeah, but I think that's why they intentionally make it with a twist. Right? So it doesn't sit there...
Yeah, this needs to be
like that.
longer.
It makes it
Oh.
flat. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. Well, I trust you. You know what you're doing more than me.
We shall see.
So it turns out I'm not great at sewing, but my wife is good at it. She made about 10 of those lanyards, which are going to go out in the prototype of the month box, which is going out really soon here. I think I'm going to take the rest of the day off, and I'll see you in the next video.